Dispose of old soil after planting tomatoes. Remove debris and weeds. Pull out the last tomato roots. Continue loosening soil to remove debris. Overall, the soil is still loose. Add grass clippings to repel insects. Mix well. Cover with a plastic bag and smother for a day. You can smother the bugs if it's hot. If you use a black plastic bag, it will work better. The plastic bag covered with water droplets. Deal with the standing water from the rain. Cover again. Here is another box of soil. Simply loosen the soil, bury some food waste fruits. After the rainy season, a little more exposure to the sun will do the trick.